Alright guys, welcome to my channel. We will be looking at solving simple simultaneous equation, right? Simultaneous equations. Yeah. Right, so let's take a simple question. For instance, let's assume we're given 3x plus 2y is equal to 10, for instance, and then we have 2x minus 2y equal to 5. I have to find the value of x and y. Right, so this is very simple. What we do is let's take the line. Right, so the first thing we do is to add these two variables, these two values, right? 3x plus 2y. If we do that, discover we have here we have 3x plus 2x gives us 5x. If you do same plus 2y minus 2y will give us 0 here, equal to, since we're adding both of them, 10 plus 5 gives us 15. So if you do that, we're going to have 5x is equal to 15, and then we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. Both sides, 5 we take off 5, we'll have that x is equal to 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. Alright, so therefore we have that x is equal to 3. What we do simply is let me take this, I just circle this. We have this value x is equal to 3. We're now using either equation 1 or equation 2. We'll find, remember, this is our equation 1, this is our equation 1, and this is our equation 2. Alright, so using either equation 1 or 2 from equation, you can see from equation 1, let's use equation 1. From equation 1, yep, we can see substituting from equation 1, we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. We substitute the value of x for 3 in equation 1. This is our equation 1. Substitute the value of x for x here in equation 1. Alright, so anywhere we see x, what it means is anywhere we see x, we fix in 3 because we're seeing 3 here. Right, since there's 3 here, anywhere we see x, we just fix in 3. To come in here, I will say 3 bracket the value of x, which is 3, plus 2y equal to 10. Right, I will know that 3 times 3 here, because we know bracket leads to times. That becomes what? That becomes 9 plus what? Plus 2y equal to 10. Right, I'm going to rule a line away. Rule a line here. Yep, continue from here, right? And I'm going to come back. Alright, so what do we do from here? We'll collect items. What does it mean to collect items? Since 9 cannot add with 2y, they can't add because y is here and we don't have y here. So whatever we have, this 9, we'll take it from here and bring it here. Right? Remember, there's an invincible plus here. I've taught you this before. There's an invincible plus here. When the number is on its own, there's an invincible plus here. Right? So if it crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus here because it has crossed this equal sign. So it becomes minus here. Right? So what do we do now? Simple. We can come here and rewrite our equation as, since we've removed y from here, now we're trying to take plus 9 off here. We'll be left with what? 2y plus 2y equal to what? 10 minus 9. The reason we're having minus because that's crossed from here down to here. It's not minus. Now we're left with what? 2y equal to 10 minus 9 is what? 1. So we divide both sides by 2. Yeah, 2, we take off 2. Our y becomes what? 1 over 2. That's the value for y. Right? So therefore, we can simply say, therefore, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to what? 1 over 2. That's the value for x and y. Right? Remember the question said find the value. Remember the question says find the value of what? Of x and y here. Right? So the value of x and y is what we got here. Right? So if you find this video of any help to you, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and like I said, subscribe to the channel and leave your notification bell icon on. That way you can get more videos from what we're doing. Remember, we're treating 20 questions on simultaneous equation, 20 different questions from simultaneous equation. So this is just question 1, part 1 of it. So just write it here for you to see. This is the part 1 of our class on simultaneous equation. I'll see you in this class, guys. Thank you.